Moin moin and hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Donboxing, and today for you I have something pretty obscure. So, at one point I was just for boredom browsing through AliExpress and I spotted an obscure ear tip. So, I did order it, and today we are checking out two versions of this obscure ear tip, which already came in a bit of a weird box. So it came in basically two separate envelopes that look like this, and you see that it says Tangzu on it, but I didn't even see it anywhere else offered in Tangzu where they usually sell them, so I have no clue if this is the same Tangzu or not. But today we are checking out the Tangzu HE Sonic Ear-Tips, and as a small bonus, because I saw them and they were super cheap, so see what I have here, the Coffe Ear-Tips. I don't think I need to say much about those, and I think I'll also start with those very swiftly, because I think everybody probably has heard about the Coffe Ear-Tips. They are famous or infamous, depending on who you ask, and you can get them from many different sources, and mine apparently came from the K beer store, and that's how they look like. They are just some random ass silicone ear tips which people for whatever reason seem to like. I've not tried them so far, but mine come in a carrying case, as you can see, and they usually come in a lot of pairs. So this here I think is 16, so like 8 pairs. And as you can see here, this is a relatively wide outlet. The silicone is very squishy and very soft ear tip. The back, as you can see here, also the material is not really thick, I would say, but also not super thin. And the mounting cylinder here is slightly recessed, and the tip itself is relatively short. Let me quickly get my caliper. So let's give it a quick measurement here in terms of height without squishing it. This clocks in at 7 millimeters roughly, slightly below that. So definitely one of the shorter sides, and I think this only comes in SM and L. Let me just quickly do an experiment here. This all looks like it's S. This is slightly bigger. Oh, there's 4 sizes. Wait, let's see what we have here. That looks like the same size. That can go out. Is this both S? Let's get a little closer. This looks like it's both S. Yeah, okay, so it's both S. Okay, so it's only SM and L then probably. But we do get a whole lot, and I think this cost me, give or take, 3 euros. So it's dirt cheap essentially for the amount you're getting, including carrying case. But now we come to what we actually wanted to look at. The HE Sonic ear tips. And this comes in 2 versions, which I have both here, and I will probably put them both in the same review later on. You can get them in the normal edition, which is then normal silicone. And you can get them in the Galaxy edition, which then loses liquid silicone. And they come in S, M, and L. And it says small on my box here, but I think actually I ordered the variety pack because I wanted to see how they look like. So let's start with this one here. It has this sticker here on top, which one side was already loose. Let's open also the other one. And I'm not sure how well it's apparent by looking at the pictures. Maybe let's just quickly look at that. It's like, it has like a wave pattern, and I have no clue why you would want a wave pattern, because our ear canals are not wave-like, and I don't really think gives us much benefit, but let's see. That's how it looks. Again, comes in just plastic that you will throw away, so that it could be improved by just using some paper. And then we have this branded HE thing on here, so let's quickly open that. This is how the ear tips looks. Oh, and actually I didn't even see that in detail. It also has like a grooved pattern on the inside here. Let me just remove the ear tip so we can look at it in detail. Yep, definitely grooved pattern that goes, I want to say, like the third top of this, essentially after you mount it on the IEM. And then on the back, let's just turn it around. Again, the material thickness is similar to the Coffe Ear-Tips we saw before. It is, again, very squishy, I have to say, overall. Also the front relatively squishy. And this wave pattern actually is only until, you can see here, like 50% of the ear tip. I now even less understand why we have this wave pattern. If it would go all the way to the back, one could argue It increases friction around the point where you usually have contact in your ear canal, but like this, I don't know what it's supposed to do here. Let me quickly flip them inside out to see if there is also a spin fin mechanism happening or it's just a regular ear tip. And no spin fin mechanism, just a regular ear tip. Okay, so we can flip that back. And look again at the grooves here. So as I said, only the first half or so has a slight grooving going on, but it's generally a very soft tip. And M, as you can see here, is slightly bigger. Let's see if we have measurements here. Nope, not on this box. Then let's go from there to the one with liquid silicone, which from other reasons says it's small, but as I said, it shouldn't be small. I ordered the combo theoretically. So let's see if you also got that. Okay, sorry, also my light died, so I had to give us a cut here. And as it looks like, actually got only S here. So, okay, I mean, I'm not too mad. I probably can't fit the M anyway, so let's see what we get here. Same packaging as we can see, and let me open that and check out the liquid silicone version of this tip. I can already tell this is a bit less squishy in direct actually, it's not even S. Did I get M? This looks like it's bigger. Oh no, actually the tip is slightly different. Wait, does it say more on the back here? No, it just says premium liquid silicone, comfortable. Okay, so no, the tip actually is different as you can see here. So this is apparently S, but this one has a clearly wider outlet. And also the tip itself, if I flip it around, as you can see here, looks like it could be a bit bigger. And the material definitively is thicker, so that explains why it's also less squishy. Material though, I can definitely tell this is liquid silicone. This is definitely, again, a bit sticky. Not as sticky as other tips, but definitely on the sticky side. And then, yeah, the groove pattern here, again, only goes to like a halfway point and then stops. And just feeling-wise, the grooves do feel like they're similarly pronounced to this one here. Actually, maybe even a bit more so. And then the inside cylinder here, you can see this one clearly has a bigger diameter. So I don't think you can mount this on small or medium diameter nozzles even, while this one here should be no issue. And yeah, there's no grooves in like this one has here, which I also don't know what that's supposed to do, but yep, this has no grooves, but a wide outlet. So, as I said, I don't know if this is real Tangzu or if this is whatever that is, no clue. But yeah, I will give this a shot, and maybe it even gets 2 different reviews because those are clearly different ear tips. First, I thought these were exactly the same ear tip, just one liquid silicone, one not liquid silicone. So, yeah, we will see later on. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Questions, recommendations, or criticisms, please leave a comment below. Donspektor out.